This is a Bosch. Silence Plus. Silence Plus. You can dare play Sonnet by yourself when, like, dishwashers, Bosch, finish. You can put pod in there, and you can put pod in powder when you put back, and this one you can put by from conditioner unit. Okay, so this is the one you use spring water. You can this one you have run the water spring. You can speed it. Okay. And you can run. And so look at this. And the final running is this. Look, this one it does can run the water. This one can use the spring water with it. Find the water can be used. Okay, you can put anything there for this. So we turn it on, and it worked. And this is water cannot fill. This one it was same spring water. And this one the water can spring from in this one. Okay, so this start for rest of 3 seconds. You can program what you want. There's stop when you this way spring water for 50 minutes. This one 45 minutes. This 29 minutes for that pre-wash. Can use a little bit you want. This eco 33 minutes. 0 minutes. This one at various speed. It doesn't turn the timer button. So this auto button, when you program that. So there's a screws on it there because it's old. When you auto to press the play button. Okay, this is guys. What time is 21:05 minutes. This one, so variable speed is 130 minutes. Okay, the auto, this one to 6 minutes, and this one is to 22:0 minutes. This way is you can press the play button, put it back this, and press the play button. You can still hold it. And it start to go, you press the 3 seconds for 1 minute. And you got 1 minute in their place. And it will drain. And it will training for 001 minute. You can a little bit spin. And it will drain up by second by the dishwasher. And also a few days. Very, very good voice. And it will be end. Fun. This so cool. This is my dishwasher. It's older dishwasher for me. Because you can press the buttons what you need. You press a various speed and what you want to program. Okay, so it's end right now. Okay, you can open the lid and it will turn it off. And turn it off now. So this is off my Bosch dishwasher. So thanks you're watching.